Hey there, this is going to be a really quick video. I couldn't find another video like this on the internet to help me, so I'm going to record what I do. What I'm trying to do here is tip this snowmobile onto its side so I can get at the belly pan to do some repairs on it or some maintenance work. This is what I'm trying. If you have advice about this, please comment on it and help me out. I'll show you what I got set up on this side of the sled. So what I learned is always tip it towards the clutch side of your snowmobile. And then I put some cardboard down here in case anything drips, gas or oil. And then I have a few different size buckets and benches over here because I think, from what I've read, you're gonna have to support it on one of these as it tips over. So we're gonna put the camera back over there and give this thing a yank and try to pull it onto its side. Did it. Whew, that wasn't a very good face. Okay, on a big heavy sled like this, that took a lot more force than I was thinking, but I kind of got it figured out. So here it sits. On this side, I mainly supporting on that orange stool. I put that there just in case it wants to slip or something, but I think we're okay here. It seems like it's not gonna go anywhere. I can get at parts I need to. So that's how to tip a snowmobile for maintenance. At least that's what I did.